Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. So in order to find the common ratio, you need to find really just two terms in succession, but we'll find a couple terms here and see what we can do. So I'm going to find a sub 1, which would be 2 to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 0 once I subtract the 1. And 3 to the power of 0 would turn into a 1, and so my first term is a 2, right? Let's see about the second term. The second term is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 1, which then would become 4 thirds. Okay. And I could really just use those two terms, but I want to find just maybe one more, and we can kind of look at the relationship here. And so um, my third term, so I'm going to plug in 3, so 2 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 2, and I'm going to end up with 8 over 9. Okay, so then what you need to do is take two terms that kind of go in succession. The easiest two would probably be these first two, since the first number is a whole number. That'll kind of make my life a little bit easier. And so what we're trying to do is figure out, so A1 times the common ratio should give you your next term, A sub 2. And so we're just going to substitute those in there. So we're going to have 2 times my common ratio should equal 4 thirds. And so what I'd probably do here to make life easier, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1/2. You could divide by 2, but multiplying by a half is a little bit easier to see this here. So then those will reduce to a 1. 1 times r is r. And then this would be 4 over 6. But then we definitely want to go ahead and reduce that, and that should reduce down to 2 thirds. And so that's my common ratio. And so just to kind of show you with the other one, I'll show you that it works for the next 2 points also. So if you were to look at a sub 2 times the common ratio, that should give you a sub 3. And what we could do here is just plug that in. So we could take 4 over 3, and let's multiply that by the common ratio, 2 thirds. And let's see, that would give us 8 over 9, and that is what a sub 3 is. So anyways, hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.